So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin kabola. Ito pong Game 5 ng Ginebra TNT. Pag-uusapan natin, isa pong panibagong malaking pangalan po na pwedeng pumasok po sa unrestricted free agents. So may hindi pa nakasubscribe pa, pindot naman po yung subscription button. Comments muna tayo ng mga fans. Cindy Limbo, Kabulastugan, Ronaldo Alencio, Ponytail doesn't know how to play fair. Sabi naman niya kabola. O depensa niya yan mga fans po ng SMC teams. Charlie Asierto, mas okay idol si Tolentino kaysa kay Perez. At pati na rin sila Navarro at Munzon kaysa kay Cruz at Teng. Sabi naman niya dito. So basically nag-agree po siya dun sa atin pong sinabi po na opinion regarding nga po dito sa rumor din po na San Miguel Northport po na trade. Adrian Dulay, wag nila lokohin ng mga fans nila, mga manonood. Di ka pa papakawalan yung Perez o Tolentino, ipapalit dyan, malamang bench player, sabi niya kabola. So we will see, mukhang sabi naman ni Snow kasi this week na po mangyayari yung trade. Glenn Boreros, okay na yan. Then Cruz, North, then Munzon SMB, Jeron Teng, Jericho Cruz for Munzon. I think panalo pa rin po doon ng San Miguel Bremen with the current play po of Munzon. Iba talaga kasi yung Munzon ngayon is arguably the best wing defender right now, kabola. And if you're the best in that position of defense, talagang super valuable mo as a player. Now, doon nga sa Game 5, ginulat po tayo ulit ng Ginebra by winning Game 5 and they managed to survive a 10-point deficit sa halftime kabola. So, respect Tor Barangay Ginebra. It was again a dogfight, a defensive battle at panalo nga po ito pong Ginebra kabola. So, pinapakita lang din dito kabola na sa palagay ko lang malaki, dahil dogfight na nangyari, defensive battle, medyo mas maayos itong Ginebra, yung kanila pong focus and etc. Siguro one thing is because yun nga pinaglalaban nila ngayon, yung injury issue nitong si Justin Brownlee. Kumbaga, dun sila umuhugot po ng lakas kabola, and that helps them be more focused, be more vigilant in their play kabola. Yan yung nagsang nakita natin dito po na nangyayari. Isa pa sa na-highlight dun sa Game 5 na yon is ito nga pong altercation nitong si Eram at saka nitong si Chot Reyes kabola, di ba? It was really shocking. In a way shocking na umabot sa ganung point ulit si Eram kabola, na pati si Coach Chot kabola talaga nagkaroon sila ng issue kabola, nagkasigawan, di ba? Explain ni Coach Chot kabola after yung game na parang sinabi niya ata, di siya na lang mag-coach, parang ganoon yung point. So, umabot sa point talaga kabola na sobrang banas na siya dito kay Eram for him to say that kabola. And by the way, I also want to again continue giving respect to Justin Brownlee. He was playing still with that crazy injury kabola. So, ito nga pong player na potential po kabola maging unrestricted free agent is wala na pong kundi si Gio Halalan. So, according to an article kabola, it's either MPBL or another PBA team yung pwede niya pong puntahan. So, makita nyo dito una, MPBL is really now an option. Kasi nga po yung mga offer po ng ibang team doon kabola is higit pa actually so offer po ng ibang PBA team. Now, for the PBA naman, who are the top 3 teams that should try to consider making an offer for him? Number 3 will be San Miguel Bremen. Kasi if you look po at the current age bracket ng mga guards nila, si Perez lang yung confident ka na pwede mong sabihin na starting caliber pa rin po in the next 5 years, consistent yan. Other than him, lahat na po veteran. So, getting a Gio Halalan for them is a good decision. Number 2, Northport, diba? Actually, yung current team niya rin, kabola. Kasi if you look po at the current lineup of Northport and compare it to the other lineups, they are actually the team that with the most obvious need of a starting caliber point guard. So, they really need to keep sana itong si Gio Halalan. Pero of course, Northport yan, they can always shock us. Pero number 1 ko will be Starhorse / Terra Firma, kabola. Kasi if they really want to contend, they need to get players, and getting a player in a restricted free agency and not giving up anything is a great thing. So, they should try to get Gio Halalan. Kabakabalas pa rin mo, sila ba ang mga dapat po mag-target kay Gio? Comment lang po sa baba.